Hello everyone. So today we have some of our subscribers ask some questions on our YouTube videos. So we will answer their questions one by one. So please stay with us in this video and then you will be able to get the answer as well. The question is, what strategies do you employ for optimizing the ad copy and improving the CTR? Now this question we will divide into two parts. First will be on how to do the optimization of the ad copy. Now the optimization of the ad copy, we definitely need to make sure we have around 2 ad copies running in one ad group. Those ad copies should have different headlines. The headlines can include USPs or the call to actions, and then in the second ad copy we can have different descriptions. That way, after spending money and then rotating the ad copies evenly, we should be able to see which one of those are working well. Next is on how to improve CTR. We need to make sure that we are doing negatives, and we need to make sure whether the ads are running in the search partners, because on search partners the CTR will always be on the lower side. We will give our WhatsApp number on the screen. You can WhatsApp us anytime.